What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on this Sea Ray SPX 190. Come meet me on board. Now that we're up on the boat, first thing I want to point out is the beautiful color combo on this boat. You have the dune interior, has like a brown tone to it with the Sea Ray blue hull. Makes for a navy blue and brown combination. Absolutely beautiful. This boat's equipped with a 150 Mercury, which is the maximum horsepower. This is a great starter boat, or any boat that can get you out to the sandbar, any near coastal boating. You have the ski tow pylon here, which is a great feature. Your beach boarding ladder on the starboard side. As you walk into the cockpit area, you have storage compartment. Would be a good spot for fenders. So some of the entertaining features in here, you have the lounger, you have the 2-position backrest, can either be in the forward position or the back position. So whether you want to sit down and face forward, or have more of a lounger with your feet backwards and be leaning into it. It's very comfortable while you're underway. Plenty of seating throughout the boat. Sea Ray is known for having tons of storage. So if you pull up on this latch, you can see the aft storage compartment here. Also gives you access to your bilge and your batteries. Close that back up. So at the helm, the captain's chair is bolstered. So whether you want more leg room or if you want to be able to sit up a little bit higher, see above the steering wheel. You also have your throttles, all of your lighting switches that have access to all your lights, whether it's your anchor light, running light, there's some accent and courtesy lights. You also have a switch for your bilge pump and your horn. You have your Fusion radio, as well as your Simrad electronics. So everything within arm's reach. You also have a phone charger conveniently by cup holder here. You have a second cup holder down by your feet as well. So you have a glove compartment here over on the port side. I got my phone tucked in there. Great spot for phones, wallets, keys. More cup holders throughout the boat. Fusion speakers throughout the boat. On the port side, we have another storage compartment. This will be a better spot for some bigger bags. Looks like we have some of the covers in there at the moment. If you wanted to close off the cockpit area from the bow, you can simply close the glass. There's hitches here where you can close that off and secure it. So up in the bow area, plenty of room for 2 to 3 adults. Sit up here, have the best view. More speakers up here, as well as cup holders, some grab handles. All the way forward is your anchor locker, conveniently located at the front of the boat. You have some dedicated storage there where the anchor can actually physically lock in place. As I mentioned before, it's a great starter boat, great for going to the sandbar, going to some of the local restaurants here. If you want to come see this boat and see it in person, call us today or come into MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad.